Hello, 5th grade students and families. It's Mrs. Kearns here to present our second trimester awards. Let's get started. Our first award is a Reading Growth Award. It goes to those students who made 6 months growth in just one trimester. From Mrs. Luna's class, Stephanie, Hitomi, Isabella, James, Jonathan, Molluska, and Rihanna. From Mrs. Marquez's class, Aaron, Andrew, Brittany, Daniel, Finus, Isaac, Isabella, Jesus, Jimmy, Sarai, Sophia, Stephanie, Vivian, Raj, and Zadie. From Ms. Tolliver's class, Andrew, Christian, Isaac, Jada, Jaden, Jasmine, Jordan, Kaylee, Marley, Natalie, and Raymond. From Mrs. Morelos' class, Ethan and Gary. Next, we have our writing awards. These go to students who scored at the top of the rubric on the district-wide writing assessment given at the end of the second trimester. From Mrs. Luna's class, Molluska, Eliza, Dylan, Hitomi, and Haley. From Mrs. Marquez's class, Jaden, Sochi, Isabella, Vivian, Zadie, and Raj. Next up, we have our ELA awards. These go to the top 5 students in each class based on their iReady reading diagnostic at the end of the second trimester. Nathan, Molluska, Xavier, Raj, Vivian, Isabella, Alexia, Zadie, Luis, Dulce, Gregorio, Jaden, and Isaac. Next, we have our math awards. These go to the top 5 students in each class based on their iReady math diagnostic given at the end of the second trimester. Nathan, James, Molluska, Jaden, Mia, Alexia, Isaiah, Raj, Luis, Christian, Jada, Jaden, and Jordan. Next, we have our citizenship awards. These go to our students who are respectful, responsible, ready, and safe inside and outside of the classroom every day. First, from Mrs. Luna's class, Eliza, Isabella, Xavier, Molluska, Haley, Dylan, Jamie, Nathan, Stephanie, Aaron, Julian, Jonathan, and Hitomi. From Mrs. Marquez's class, Alexia, Jimmy, Aaron, Sarai, Isaiah, Andrew, Alan, Brianna, Sochi, Gustavo, Vivian, Jonathan, Zadie, Renessa, Ariana, Stephanie, Raj, Daniel, and Brittany. From Ms. Tolliver's class, Axel, Christian, Luis, Jaden, Natalie, Jordan, Marley, Isaac, Chloe, Raylene, Delilah, Brianna, Urania, Jada, Valerie, Gregorio, Jaylene, and Dulce. From Mrs. Morelos' class, Nicholas. Next, we have our honor roll. This goes to the top students who get all 3s and 4s in outstanding citizenship on their progress report or report card. From Mrs. Luna's class, Isabella, Xavier, Molluska, Dylan, Jamie, Nathan, and Hitomi. From Mrs. Marquez's class, Alexia, Sarai, Isaiah, Jaden, Sochi, Vivian, Zadie, Stephanie, and Raj. From Ms. Tolliver's class, Jaden, Jordan, Marley, Isaac, Delilah, Brianna, Jada, Valerie, and Gregorio. Next, we have Principal's Honor Roll. This goes to students who get all 4s and outstanding marks in citizenship on their report card. From Ms. Tolliver's class, Luis, and from Mrs. Luna's class, Eliza. Our last award today is our Mustang Awards. Each teacher selected students for making a specific or having a specific accomplishment during this semester or trimester. First, from Mrs. Luna's class, Justin, for improvement and overall effort. From Mrs. Marquez's class, Brittany, for being responsible with assignments. And Angel, for improvement and overall effort. From Ms. Tolliver's class, Jaden, for hard work and perseverance, and Jaylene, also for hard work and perseverance. From Mrs. Morelos' class, Ethan, for outstanding growth in reading. Congratulations to all of 5th grade. On behalf of your teachers, I would like to say that we are very proud of you and we encourage you to keep up